Hello everybody. In this video, I'll show you how to add programs to start up on Windows 11. This means your favorite apps will automatically open every time you turn on your computer, saving you time and keeping your workflow ready from the moment your system loads. First, click on the Start menu or simply press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Settings, and when it appears, click on it. Once the Settings window opens, look at the left sidebar and find the section labeled Apps. Click on it to open more options related to your installed programs. Now, under the Apps section, find and click on Startup. This is the area where Windows lets you manage which programs launch automatically when your computer starts up. Here, you'll see a list of applications that can either be enabled or disabled for startup. Next to each app's name, you'll notice a small toggle switch. When the switch is turned on, that app will automatically start every time you log into Windows. When it's turned off, the app won't open until you manually launch it. If you want a program to launch right when your computer boots up, simply find it in the list and click the toggle switch to turn it on. Also, enabling too many startup programs can slow down your boot time. Each app you add to startup takes up a bit of memory and processing power, so only keep the most essential ones turned on, like your antivirus software, communication tools, or any productivity apps you use daily. Also, if you ever want to remove a program from the startup list, just come back to this same window and switch it off. You don't need to uninstall or modify the app itself. Windows 11 makes it really easy to manage all of this in one place. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like to support the channel and subscribe for more easy Windows and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.